Free course of web development. Let us understand how student can participate in this free course. Student can do self-study from the video lectures. Student have to register themselves for the exam. Student have to give online exam in MCQ mode. Student need to check their result status. Let us now understand the class content. HTML 10 video lectures are available. CSS 18 video lectures are available. JavaScript 12 video lectures are available. PHP MySQL 22 video lectures are available. Students just have to visit our website web.gyan.com. Remember the name of the website web.gyann.com. The link of this website will be given in the description of this video. Student may also find all the class lectures in our playlist. The link of the playlist will also be given in the description of this video.